Still tickles me pink every time when I hit the... It actually works. So, okay, I think we'll just give it a go. It looks great. We'll just have a bit of fun. Snow, yeah, man. Oh, and it's moving around. Oh. I've never driven it in this much snow before. Haha. Beautiful. So he did really well, the Bug. He got from a long way, but you know, there's a limit to everything really in the end, isn't there? I mean, at some point, yeah, it's sort of enough. So anyway, old Bug's got bogged, isn't he? Bug bogged, bogged Bug, and got to get the hay off it and into a sack and drag the sack and the water up to the babies and everything, to the girls. Oh, there you go. That's it. Getting the Bug out will be another story, but that'll be easy enough. He's great. He done good. Bug's done good.